If you've ever opened Cash App and wondered how some people seem to always have promo codes, boosts, or bonuses while you're just staring at your balance like, where do they even find this stuff? Then this video is for you. Because in 2026, finding Cash App promo codes isn't about luck anymore. It's about knowing exactly where to look, how the system works, and how to stay ahead of everyone else who's chasing the same thing. Let's get one thing straight first. Cash App promo codes are real, but they're not just randomly scattered across the internet waiting for you to pick them up. Most of the free $50 or instant $100 bonus codes you see online are either expired, fake, or designed just to get clicks. So if you've been wasting time jumping from site to site hoping to find a working code, that's exactly why it hasn't worked for you yet. The game has changed, and the people who are actually benefiting from these promos understand something most people don't. Cash App doesn't just release promo codes publicly anymore. In 2026, most of their promotions are targeted, limited, or hidden behind specific actions. That means the first and most important strategy is this. You need to become the kind of user that Cash App wants to reward. And what does that mean? It means being active. Sending money, receiving money, using the app regularly, and engaging with features like cash card payments, boosts, and even investing. The more active you are, the higher your chances of unlocking personalized offers directly inside the app. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the easiest ways to find legit Cash App promo codes is through referrals, but not the basic way most people think. Everyone knows you can invite a friend and get a bonus when they sign up, but what most people don't realize is that referral codes can vary. Some users get higher paying referral bonuses than others, and sometimes there are limited time boosted referrals that can go way beyond the normal reward. So instead of just using any random referral code online, you want to find high value referral links from active users who are currently benefiting from boosted promotions. And where do you find those? That's where social platforms come in. In 2026, platforms like TikTok, Twitter, Reddit, and even YouTube itself have become the real-time hub for promo code drops. But you can't just search Cash App promo code and expect results. You need to be smart with your timing and keywords. Look for phrases like Cash App Boost Live, Cash App Referral Bonus Today, or Limited Cash App Reward. These are the kinds of posts that are usually tied to active promotions, not recycled content from months ago. Another powerful method that most people overlook is following Cash App related communities. These are groups where users actively share working methods, current bonuses, and sometimes even private or region-specific offers. The key here is consistency. You don't just check once and leave, you stay plugged in. Because the best promo codes don't last long. Sometimes they're active for just a few hours, and if you're not paying attention, you'll miss them completely. Now let's talk about something most people don't even consider: Cash App campaigns. Cash App often runs silent promotional campaigns tied to events, holidays, or partnerships. These aren't always advertised loudly, but they exist. For example, during certain seasons or major online trends, Cash App might introduce hidden boosts or limited rewards for specific actions like sending money to a new contact, activating your cash card, or making a purchase at certain merchants. These aren't traditional enter a code and get money promotions, but they function the same way. You complete an action and you get rewarded. And here's where you can really start to gain an advantage. If you pay attention to patterns, you'll notice that Cash App tends to repeat certain promotional behaviours. When new features are introduced, they often come with incentives. When user engagement drops, they introduce bonuses to bring people back. So instead of chasing codes, you start predicting when they'll appear. That's how you move from being a random user to someone who actually understands the system. Another method that works surprisingly well is email and notification optimization. Most people ignore emails from apps like Cash App, but that's a mistake. Some of the most valuable promo offers are sent directly to users through email or push notifications. These offers are often personalised, which means not everyone gets them. So if your notifications are off or you're not checking your email, you could be missing out on opportunities that are literally sent straight to you. Now, let's address something important: fake generators and scam sites. If you've ever seen a website claiming to generate unlimited Cash App promo codes, just know this: it's not real. These sites are designed to keep you clicking, completing surveys, or downloading apps while they profit from your time. There is no legitimate system that allows you to generate working Cash App codes on demand. Every real promo comes directly from Cash App or through verified user actions. So the moment you see anything promising instant, unlimited rewards with no effort, that's your sign to leave immediately. Instead, focus on stacking small, legitimate opportunities. A referral bonus here, a boost there, a campaign reward. These things add up over time. And when you combine multiple strategies, that's when you start to see real results. It's not about finding one magical code that changes everything. It's about understanding the ecosystem and positioning yourself to benefit from it consistently. Also, timing plays a huge role. The best times to find new Cash App promotions are usually around major holidays, big online shopping events, or when Cash App is pushing new updates. These are the moments when companies are most likely to offer incentives to increase activity. So if you're serious about finding promo codes, you need to be more active during these periods. That's when the highest value opportunities tend to appear. And here's one final strategy that separates casual users from smart ones: networking. If you know people who actively use Cash App, especially those who are already benefiting from promos, stay connected with them. Sometimes the best codes aren't public, they're shared within circles. Whether it's a friend, an online community, or even a content creator, being connected increases your chances of getting access to better opportunities. At the end of the day, finding Cash App promo codes in 2026 isn't about searching harder, it's about searching smarter. It's about understanding that the system rewards activity, awareness, and timing. If you stop chasing fake promises and start focusing on real strategies, you'll notice a difference. You'll start seeing offers appear more often. You'll start catching opportunities before they expire. And most importantly, you'll stop wasting time on things that were never going to work in the first place. So if you've been struggling to find working Cash App promo codes, now you know why. And more importantly, you know what to do instead. Stay active, stay alert, stay connected, and let the opportunities come to you instead of chasing them blindly. And here's something a lot of people still overlook: the power of consistency over hype. Most users jump into Cash App searching for quick wins, try a few random codes, get nothing, and quit. But the people who actually benefit treat it like a system, not a gamble. They check the app daily, stay updated with trends, and position themselves to catch opportunities early instead of late. Even something as simple as keeping your account verified, maintaining regular transactions, and occasionally exploring new features can quietly increase your chances of receiving exclusive offers. Over time, this builds momentum, and that's when you start noticing a shift: more notifications, better referral bonuses, and occasional hidden rewards that don't show up for everyone. So instead of chasing shortcuts, focus on building presence within the app, because in 2026, that's what separates those who hear about promo codes from those who actually benefit from them.